So a lot of you have been requesting for me to make some hummus, so I'm going to teach you how to make some today. Hummus is very simple, there's not many ingredients, but there is a little bit of technique that I'm going to show you to make the perfect hummus dip. So here are my chickpeas right out the womb. This is before they're submerged in water overnight and then boiled till fork tender. And this is how they look after that process. I wrote down in the description how to do that. So this is what you're gonna need for making the hummus. You want obviously your chickpeas that are soaked overnight and cooked. You want a bunch of lemon juice, a hefty amount of salt, a lot of bit of sesame seed paste, or sesame paste, sorry, which is tahina, and then you want some ice cubes. This is to make it nice and creamy and keep it cool. So you want to start off by taking your chickpeas and tossing them into the food processor. Just a PSA, these are called hummus. The chickpeas called hummus in Arabic, right? So in Syria we call hummus, like the full dish, msabbaha. And a lot of other Arab countries call them hummus, which is kind of weird because it's also the actual chickpea itself. Alright, now you want to drizzle in your sesame seed paste. Now you want to dump in some lemon juice. And now we're going to go in with a bunch of salt. And now you want to start to pulse it until it's a beautiful puree. So right now I can tell it's a little bit too thick, and instead of adding cold water, I like to add some ice cubes so it keeps the integrity of the smoothness and the silkiness. So I'm gonna add a couple of ice cubes, blend that bad boy up, and see how the consistency is gonna end up. And there you have it, folks. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, a little bit of smoked paprika and cumin if you like, and now we have final product. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, I truly appreciate it. And as always, now bismillah. That's what.